Hey y'all, it's Miss Moss again. We're going to do a little activity that kind of goes along with the chromosomes, genes, and DNA little lesson that we just did. We're going to look back at this little picture so you can get in your mind what a chromosome has inside of it. You have your genes, your little nitrogen bases, which are your A, T, C's, and G's, and you have your DNA strand. Okay, we're going to represent that today with these little pipe cleaners. Okay, so what you do, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 color pipe cleaners, and you're going to separate these into halves. You know, if your DNA strand looks like this, but if you uncoil it, it kind of looks like a ladder. So that's what we're going to start off with. Okay, always remember that your A goes with your T, apple to tree. Okay, so anytime that we use a pink pipe cleaner, we're going to also use a purple pipe cleaner. Okay, this would represent adenine and thymine. Okay, so we're going to bundle them up together and we're going to attach them to the outside strand of our DNA. Okay, so this would represent adenine and thymine. Alright, you can do whatever you want to. Next, we'll go ahead and try cytosine, and that has to pair with guanine. Remember, car, garage. Okay, so we'll find a white and a blue to represent our cytosine and our guanine. Put them together onto the DNA strand, and you kind of got your little ladder look forming. Okay, pick a random one. Mr. Adcock, what do you want to pick? Adenine, and A has to go with T, so we'll do adenine and thymine again. I said adenine first, so I want to put this pink on this side. Got messed up there.
What happens now?
Okay, if this got paired together, we have a guanine and a thymine. If those accidentally got paired together, which can happen, this right here would represent a mutation. Okay, like I said in the last video, a mutation could be something like an extra finger or an extra toe, but it could also be something harmful like sickle cell anemia and things like that. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do our other strand. Okay, we'll go A, T, I'll try to speed it up this time, apple to tree. If you have pipe cleaners, you can do this at home or wherever. Okay, then we're going to go cytosine, guanine, CG, car to garage, okay, we'll do adenine, thymine again, and we'll actually put the correct ones on this last one, or maybe not. We'll see what Mr. Adcock's going to pull out for us. He is going to pull a white and a pink, which would represent cytosine and adenine. Do these go together? No. So we have us another mutation. This isn't the prettiest. If you take your time, it'll be prettier. Okay, so we should be able to look at these and say, hey, I know that this is a DNA strand and this is a DNA strand. Okay, inside this DNA strand, I have found these little nitrogen bases. Okay, those nitrogen bases are called adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, and I even know how to pair those. I also know now that if I pair them wrong, then I have a mutation. which doesn't always have to be bad, by the way. Okay, so what you're going to do now is you're going to just coil these up. Watch your fingers because I just got mine. Okay, just coil them up just like this little coil that the DNA strand looks like when it gets twisted. Okay, your ladder gets twisted. We're going to twist this DNA ladder. And we're going to put them together. We're going to see what this makes. Now, inside we already saw our DNA, our genes, and our nitrogen bases. And now we have an X. And as you can see, this X is going to represent our chromosome. So this is just a little bit of an easy activity to show you what the inside of a chromosome looks like, how your DNA works. You know, you get these from your parents, and these are all inherited traits.